Hello friends! Let's learn different ways to represent the numbers. Let's see some ways we can use to represent number 5. We can use letters and write 5. We can have 5 objects. We can show our 5 fingers. We can have 5 tally marks. Or we can have 5 dots on a tens frame. These are some of the ways you can use to represent number 5. Hello friends! Let's play a number game. It's a number match. You have to match 5 to where you can count 5 things. So where here you can count 5 things. You can count 5 mugs, 5 bees, or 5 elves. The mugs, let's try. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 mugs. The bees, let's see. There you go. 5 bees. Let's do it again. Where here you can count 5. 5 pears, 5 bows, or 5 ducks. I'll count the pairs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes, 5 ducks. Very good. This is number 5. You can use letters and write number 5. You can show 5 fingers. You can have tally marks and mark 5. Or you can have 5 dots on a tens frame. Or 5 objects.